New cast, I would like to show some of the Google Chrome development tools that you would really like and enjoy. So let's get started. So basically, you can go to my website here on and select the tab for JavaScript. And once you are in the JavaScript extensions, you can find all of the extensions that I mentioned here. What you can do is just do like a find and extension, and you can see the extensions I have is all of them are listed here. So let's get started and go over them one by one. So first one I want to show you is the Chrome Page Ruler extension, and it's pretty straightforward. Once you have installed the extension, you would see it on top of Chrome. Here it's shown as a page ruler. I would click on it, and you can see that it shows you all of the information. And if I click on a particular point, it can show me the where that point was at 769 pixels from left and top. And this can be pretty useful if you are trying to set up your pixels and images and any of your front end work. So that's one of the first extension called Page Ruler. The second extension you can take a look at is called the Resizer, which is basically if you want to test it on different kinds of devices, you can do that. So example, I here change it to iPhone, and you can see my port window change to that particular, and that's how you can use this extension. And I can change it to a large desktop, for example, here in this case. Well, that's too big for me, so let me just change it back. So those are the two extensions that you already saw, and the third one I want to show you is right here. Is called the REST HTTP API extension. So if I can click on it, it will basically show from where you can install the extension. So right now, for example, I can launch this app, and basically you can use it to play around and create web services. For example, you can send different kinds of requests, get, post, and all of that. For example, I have set it up to just do a get on a local host in this example, and you can see the response came back. So you can play around with it, you can change the headers, you can look at the response codes. This can be a pretty useful tool to just use inside Google Chrome to build HTTP clients and HTTP web services. So that's the other one I wanted to show you. The next one I want to show you is called the Chrome PageSpeed Insight. And basically this extension would allow you to determine how to speed up your web page. So once the extension is installed, example, you can see here it's called the PageSpeed. You can go into Google, and they can say analyze, and this extension would basically analyze your website and tell you things you could possibly improve. Let's just wait a second while this is going on, and it'll be a while before this gets analyzed. And let's just wait a second and see what it tells. So here you can see it is telling me all of the things that I could do to improve various things. For example, it tells me I could make this inline this JavaScript, but this is actually from a different vendor, so I really can't change it. It tells you how to do search scale images. You can tell you to minimize the JavaScript. This is from a vendor, so I can minimize it. So basically this is a very useful extension where you can try all the tricks available to speed up your web page. The next extension I want to show you is definitely dependent on Ember. If you are using an Ember front end, this can be a very useful extension to see what your Ember app is doing. For example, if you want to see all the routes, and you can see all of the routes here. So these are all the 5 extensions that I wanted to show you. And another useful video area that you can explore is if you go into my website, click on Explore and Master Chrome DevTools, you'll see that it takes you to a fantastic website where they have videos and you can learn about all of the Chrome DevTools. Thank you for taking the time to watch this short screencast.